Meet Mia. She works for a global automotive organization packed with repetitive tasks that aren't as efficient as they could be. Intelligent automation makes processes more effective and efficient, using robotic process automation and artificial intelligence. Customized bots and digital workers automate repetitive tasks, freeing up Mia's staff for more value-add activities. At Converge Technologies, intelligent automation is one of our specialties. Using robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing, NLP, to create value for organizations like Mia's and her customers. Using open source technology, start small with quick installation either on-premise or cloud. All our intelligent automation solutions integrates with existing IT infrastructure with no recurring or additional licensing charges. Converge also offers out-of-the-box solutions for object detection, facial recognition, and chatbots, all deployment ready. Our services on consulting, implementation, delivery, and support are available globally and delivered remotely. We work on all major RPA tools and technologies to enable automation across various functions and verticals. You can pay once when you deploy Converge Agent without being locked into subscription or use our Bot as a Service offering. Get in touch with Converge today and see how intelligent automation can drive your digital transformation. Converge, leaders of change.